Holy crap. That waterfall. Oh, wow. It's a huge land bridge right there. Man. Holy crap, dude. All that flowstone. Oh yeah. Holy crap, dude. All right.
Alex,
off-road!
He's off-road.
Dude, holy crap.
Alrighty, man, sounds good. Dude, you don't know how freaky this was, okay? When I'm coming down.
The fossils.
Yeah. Did you feel the rope popping?
Yes. Yes, I did.
Hold on. Dude.
Dude, I'm about to head up here and take a picture and video all this.
You have to come down. This waterfall is the coolest thing you'll ever see in your life.
Dude, you have to. Dude, you have to come down. You're so dry. It's beautiful. This is an amazing rappel.
Yeah? You ready?
Yeah. Dude, this is awesome. It looks so cool from up here. Climbing up the huge flowstone mound. This place is looking funky. This room is huge too. So many fossils in the rocks too. Sounds like a separate waterfall over here too. Maybe it's just echo. I got one of them coming down. Now it's going down there. Just trying to light up on them as they come down. This place is huge. Whoa, dude, we got more passage. Heck yeah.
What's over here?
Oh,
I mean, it drops down.
there's a rope over there.
Really?
You see that? Yeah.
Wait.
Dude, look at it streaming down from right, a little lower, right there. You see it? Now go down. You see it swinging on the bottom?
There's so much dust in here, I can't see it. Let me get a little bit closer. Holy crap! That whole thing.
Oh, wow. All right, we're gonna go check out that gateway that we saw. That's awesome. Just all the flowstone everywhere, you know?
Dude, there's no avoiding it. The whole floor is made of flowstone.
Literally. Holy crap. It gets bigger the closer we get.
I know. It looks like the Lord of the Rings thing. Lord of the Rings, you know what I'm talking about?
Dang, it just ends?
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, no, I saw that.
Whoa.
Yeah, that mud. Woo! I just slipped. Yeah. Very soft fall. I think it's just where like the droplets hit the rock and it just eats away at everything else, you know?
You're right, yeah.
All the rocks are on top of it. It's wild. What's this? So much sand.
Yeah. Might go.
Oh, that looks.
That could have been really bad. I could have just slid off into like another pit.
Yeah.
Oh!
What are you seeing?
Dude, it's like passage.
Another passage?
Yeah.
Oh. How far does it go?
I don't know.
All right. Dude, yeah, I hear you. Echoing. Whew. Oh, dude, it's getting muddy.
Dude, it's so deep over there.
Whew. Whew.
As you can tell though, it goes.
Oh, yeah. It's going still.
It's going, man. Oh my god.
Dude.
Dude, this is nuts. I know.
I'm about to use some physics.
Yeah. Oh man, you made that look easy.
Nice. Oh.
Is that?
Woo.
I think that's a sump of water. Oh wait, there's a crawfish. There must be a lot of water though. Yeah, this is probably where it all ends up.
That is a sump.
That looks deep.
That does look very deep.
I think I'm gonna try it.
I might just come behind you.
Okay. I'm gonna leave all valuables
Back
Y'all
here.
swim in this?
Well, we might be able to walk it.
Ah.
Yeah, we gotta see how deep it is.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Do we want to bring Swagos? They're waterproof, right?
Yeah. Float.
Blow our way through this.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go back to the rope and
Alright,
I'm
man.
not into this.
Alright.
Good luck guys.
Alright, thanks. You too, man. You.
Enjoy the climb.
Oh, this is creepy, man. There's all sorts of rocks underwater.
Oh yeah. We're losing men left and right. Ooh.
It goes both directions. I kind of want to stay high and dry.
Yeah.
That other passage was bigger, the wet one though.
Yeah. They definitely go. We're in the sumps.
Dude, we are in the swamps. And I'm going in.
Holy crap, yeah.
Alright, it widens back out. Just after this. Whew, that's a brisk.
Curving back around.
Yeah.
It's deep again. Crawfish.
More crawfish.
Yep. Oh, there's so many in this pool. Bunch of babies. Oh, one right there. Dude, it is still just going.
I had no hope this passage was going anywhere at first.
Holy crap. Dude, is there any crawfish in here too?
Let's at least push this one.
Yeah,
At least a good bit more. I don't know if we're gonna make it to that other split that we saw.
definitely not.
Okay, this is weird.
Whoa.
Looks like this is our best option.
Would agree.
Well, it's dry.
Huh.
Dude. There's like actually running water.
Whoa.
Oh, this is a squeeze.
Ooh.
Oh. This is looking really, really funky, man. Dude, it's a straight river. A river crawl.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Oh, this is not looking good. This is getting rough, man.
Dude, holy crap. Dude. It goes up right here too.
Does it?
Yeah.
You think it leads to where I'm going? Or no?
Yeah. Yes, there's like a, you can stand up there.
Like, we'll be walking?
Looks like it.
Oh, snap.
What's it like your way?
Mine is a very, very grim stream crawl. I think we might prefer your way.
Well, we can't fit my way.
Oh.
So Edward just found a way to get up there. Yeah, looking around up there for us.
And then dude, we went back to walking stream passage.
Dang.
So, we're coming back.
Yeah, for sure. Alright. We're heading back.
Oh, it's good to be out.
Yes, it is. Alright, sweet. I'm about to hop on it. See you in a minute. Alright, good luck. Alright, dude. Get on rope. Climb back up this waterfall. Unzipping the wetsuit was the move.
Say what?
Unzipping the wetsuit was the move.
Yeah.
Off rope.
Oh,
Ooh.
okay. I think that's the bag.
Oh, the bags are literally right here.
Okay, good. I thought we had a lot more to go, honestly.
Same.
Heck yeah.
Got a big one.
Got a big one.
Oh, really heavy.
Almost out, man.
Heck yeah, we're getting close now.
Yeah.
I hear crickets.
Oh my god.
Oh, when I see the rope.
The rope.
Alright, dudes. We're back out. Make sure you check out Edward and James, Action Adventure Twins. You check them out. Like everyone else down below. We will be back to this one.